ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. It was indeed a very energetic session of asanas, which will definitely set the platform to pursue the remaining angas of Ashtanga Yoga. So, thank you once again to the three of you. Now, I would like to invite Sri Sheshadri to cover the fourth anga of Ashtanga Yoga, which is the pranayama session. This will be for about half an hour, and after that, we will have a short break. So, request Sri Sheshadri to take over.
Hari Om. I invoke the grace of Gurudev, Sri Chinmaya, Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda, Pujya Swami Brahmananda, the other Guru Parampara. Sashtang pranams to them and pranams to all of you, Salaks. It has been a fantastic session. All the sessions have gone out perfectly, right from the comparing work done by Sureshji, the Shanti Mantra by Padma Gandhini, and the writing of the lamp and chanting by Srimati Rajeshwari ji, and song composed especially for the occasion by Srimati Muktaji and sung by Srimati Lalita ji, and description of the Ashtanga Yoga, very beautifully done by our Sri Sagar ji of Charlotte, North Carolina, and fantastic exhibition of yoga asanas by Srimati Asha ji, Srimati Saraswati ji, and Srimati Shobita ji. It has been fantastic. All of them, the entire program is done in a very, very systematic yajna bhava, without ego and egocentric desires. I thank all of you for the great service you have done, and I invoke God's and Pujya Gurudev grace on all of you. Now let us go to the next aspect, pranayama. Pranayama, as you know, is not Shwasayama, it is pranayama. There is a mention of this pranayama in Bhajagovindam. Acharya Shankara says, pranayamam pratyaharam jhapya sameta nitya viveka vikaram jhapya sameta samadhi vidhanam kuruvavadanam mahadavadanam. And also it is mentioned in our Bhagavad Gita, chapter 4, 29 says, apane juhvati pranam prane panam tatapare pranapanagati ruddha pranayama parayana. It has been also told by Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi, Vayurodhanat diyate manaha dharapakshivat rodha sadhanam. A lot of importance is given. Pranayama is not only breathing exercise, it will improve the functioning of our 5 physiological functions. Sagar did mention prana, apana, vyana, samana, udana. Let me assure you, if you do it sincerely daily, your perception will improve. Ability to see through senses through the ears will improve, prana. And your excretion, urine, stool, sweat, that will be very, very systematic. And your digestion will improve, samana. And your vyana, the breathing system, will improve. And udhana, it will help you to think better. Right thinking, right decision making, problem solving. This is a whole technique. In fact, this is required for people of all ages. It is required. In fact, I would very strongly suggest that all of you who are here inspire even school-going children to practice this, because they will be able to read, study, understand better. They will face the exams better. They will be able to do very well in the interviews, get a job, And those who are in a profession, you will be excellent because you will have a fantastic decision making, problem solving, and more importantly and equally importantly, your health will improve. You will not have any digestion problem. You will not have problems like corona. No, this problem with the lungs, no stroke, no hemorrhage, no heart attack. Excretion. You will have perfect health, physical health, mental health, proper decision making, and it will also improve. And let me tell you, your memory will improve. I think if not for that, at least for the sake of this, you inspire your youngsters in the house to practice this. Memory will improve. They will succeed. And more importantly, they will be happy. And in addition to all that, we will be leading towards the ultimate goal. This is a very, very important step after Yama, Niyama, Asana. The fourth step to reach the highest, you will get that. Pranayama. In pranayama, we have got what is called as a number of techniques are there. We will do it slowly, whatever is possible. Number one, we are going to have what is called as, first we are going to have inhale Puraka through the one nostril, then hold the air, it is called Kumbhaka, and exhale the air, it is called Rechaka, and then Bahya Rechaka, Bahya Kumbhaka means don't take the air in, leave the air outside. Puraka, breathe in, inhale, Usuranidana Varaktabadi, hold Kumbhaka, Rechaka, exhale, and don't take it in Bahya Kumbhaka. Okay? And when we do this, when in Kumbhaka, we have done earlier also, just simply take the air in, hold, without any chanting of any mantra. It is called Agarbha Kumbhaka. No man chanting. Then relax, release, hold out. And then there is one more step. When you are holding air carefully, you can chant a mantra. I breathe in. When I am holding air, the stomach in, chest up, backbone straight, head high, face small. When you are holding air, you can chant your Ishtadeva mantra. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Sri Ramayana, Om Sri Krishna. Hold it. Thank you. This is called Antar Pauranika Kumbhaka. And there is one more higher step, which Rishi Patanjali says. When you inhale here, okay, slowly. When you are holding, chant Samputa Gayatri. We have already trained all of you. Samputa Gayatri consists of 4 portions. Pranava, the Om. The Vahrit is Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Maha, Janaha, Tapaha. Then the Gayatri. Om Tat Savituvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Gayatri. It's called Shiras. Oma Bhojotiraso Amritam Brahma Bhur Bhuvaswaha. The 4 limbs is called Samputa Gayatri. That when you are holding air without any tension, chant this Samputa Gayatri in the mind, seeing the meaning. 3 times you have to chant this Samputa. It's possible. Don't get scared. And then inhale. Okay? We will do it. We will be doing it first. Agarbha Kumbhaka, then Sagarbha Pauranika, then Sagarbha Vaidika. All right? And now, the best mudra will be this mudra. You please, all of you, start doing it. This left forefinger and the thumb forms a circle, and stretch the 3 fingers like that, and keep it on your thigh, palm facing downwards. Palm facing downwards, that's called Chin Mudra. It is very ideal for pranayama. But for japa, you are going to have it palm upwards in what is called as Jnana Mudra or Dhyana Mudra. All right? We will go into Vajrasan and then start doing this step. Please get into Vajrasan. Get into Vajrasan. Back, right back. Sit back like this. Right. Keep your left hand on your left thigh like this. Okay. Right hand, get it ready. The thumb and ring finger, little finger stretched. Fold the forefinger and the middle finger. These two you fold. Thumb, ring finger, little finger, you stretch it out. Bring it here near your nostril. The right thumb touching your right nostril. The right ring finger touching your left nostril. Okay? Now, close your left nostril, please, with the right ring finger. Breathe out all the air out. Completely emptied. Stomach, chest, all gone. It goes inside. Close both nostrils. Okay. Now, open your left nostril. Inhale deeply. More health you want, inhale deeply. As I have repeatedly said, oxygen is free. Oxygen is free. Be liberal. Inhale through the left nostril in. Close both nostrils. Stomach in. Chest up. Backbone straight. Head high. Face with a smile. Keep it like that for some time. No mantras. Exhale through the right nostril, please. Close both. No in, no out. What? Again, breathe in through the right nostril in. Balagada mugina halleಯಿಂದ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Close both nostrils. Stomach in, chest up, backbone straight, head high, face with a smile. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರಲಿ, ಎದೆ ಉಬ್ಲಿ, ತಲೆ ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿರಲಿ, ಮುಖ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತವಾಗಿರಲಿ. Hold it. Agarbha, Antar Kumbhaka. Exhale through the left slowly. Close both. Hold out. Bahya Kumbhaka. Okay. Now this time we are going to do Pauranika Antar Kumbhaka. You are going to chant whoever is your favorite Lord, you can choose. I have no objection. Inhale through the left nostril in. Close both nostrils. Stomach in. Okay, chant Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Sri Krishnaya Namah. 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 What 11 times? Then close your left nostril. Breathe out through the right. Balagada in the body. Close both. Hold on. Breathe in through the right. Balagada in the cardiac. Breathe in through the right. Close both nostrils. Antar Pauranika Kumbhaka. Chant the name of your favorite Lord in your mind 11 times. Breathe out through the left nostril. Close both. Hold down. Now this time you are going to do Antar Vaidika Kumbhaka. When you are holding air, you are going to chant Samputa Gayatri. Om Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha Maha Janaha Tavaha Satyam. Okay. Tatsaviduvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Apo Jyotira Somratam Brahma Bhurva Swaha. This we are going to chant in the mind. We'll do first once, next twice, and next three times. Okay, inhale through the left nostril in. Close both nostrils. Chant Samputa Gayatri in your mind. Om Bhuva Swaha Swaha Maha Jana Tava Satyam Tatsaviduvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Apo Jyotira Somratam Brahma Bhurva Swaha. Exhale through the right. Balagada in the body. Close both. Hold down. Now breathe in through the right. Balagada in the body. Close both. Stomach in chest up. Chant Samputa Gayatri, Pranava, Vahiti, Gayatri, Shiras in the mind. Exhale through the left, Rechaka. Close both, Bahya Kumbhak. Right. Now this time you are going to increase the chanting of Samputa Gayatri to twice, 2 times when you are holding it. Inhale deeply through the left. Keep your backbone straight. Close both nostrils. Chant Samputa Gayatri thrice in the mind. Exhale through the right. Close both. Hold out Bahya Kumbhak. Inhale through the right again. Chant Samputa Gayatri thrice in your mind. Exhale through the left. We'll do once more. Inhale through the left. Antar Vaidika Kumbhaka. When you are close both nostrils, chant the Samputa Gayatri in your mind 3 times when you are holding air. Exhale through the right. Balagada moving holding the gadi bidi. Rechaka. Eradu moving holding close markali. Close both nostrils. Bahya Kumbhaka. Inhale through the right now. Close both nostrils. Antarvaidika Kumbhaka. Chant Samputa Gayatri in the mind 3 times in the mind. Exhale through the left. Close both. Okay, relax. Now we will do what is called as Ujjayi breath. Please keep your hands like this. The thumb near the waist. Thumb, ಬೆರಳುಗಳು ಸೊಂಟದ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 fingers, all the 4 ಬೆರಳುಗಳು join, palm facing downwards. You are going to breathe into the stomach. Breathe in, hold, breathe out with a Ujjayi breath. Ujjayi breath, normal breathing. And other sound, no. As though you are snoring. Like that, you are going to inhale, hold, exhale like that. Okay, we'll do it now. First, leave out all the air from the stomach. Stomach goes in, hands come closer, the right palm above the left palm. ಬಲ ಎಡಗೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲಗೈ ಬರಲಿ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, almost touching the backbone. Inhale in Ujjayi. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Inhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Do it in Ujjayi breath. Once more, we will do it. Inhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Like that. Once more, inhale in Ujjayi. Stomach will bulge, hands will go as back as possible. Stomach is fully enlarged. Hold. Breathe out in Ujjayi. As you breathe out, stomach goes in, hands come closer, the right palm above the left palm. Like that. We do this once more very well. Inhale in Ujjayi into the stomach and let the stomach bulge. Hold. Hands are separate, far back, stomach is bulged. Hold. Exhale. Good. We'll do it 10 times, but we'll do it 5. Now keep your hands on the thighs. And to support this, you will do what is called as akara. Inhale deeply with your, take air inside. With your mouth wide open, say ah as the air comes out. Inhale deeply. When you inhale, stomach will bulge. As you exhale, stomach will bulge. All right. We'll take the next stage of Ujjayi Pranayam to the chest. Yaradu kaigalu here, near the armpit. Kankada itkodi. As usual, palm facing downwards. Ensure your shoulders are not drooping. Is level at the shoulder. Yes. First, as usual, take out air inside. Leave out. Hands come closer. Chest contracted. Now, as you inhale, chest will expand. Hands will go as back as possible in Ujjayi. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Exhale, chest contracts, hands come closer, the right palm above the left palm. Okay, inhale deeply. Ujjayi. Hands will expand, chest will expand, hands go back, elbows at the level of the shoulder. Hold. Exhale. As you breathe out, chest will contract. The hands comes closer, the right palm above the left palm. We'll do once more. Ujjayi into the chest only. Inhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Inhale in Ujjayi. Chest will expand, hands go back. Exhale. As you exhale, chest will go in, contract, hands come closer, the right palm above the left palm. Inhale deeply in Ujjayi. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Good. Relax. Keep both hands on the thighs. Relax. Now, this time you are going to inhale. This is called sound resonance support technique. You have done this exercise to the chest. You are going to inhale and in your mouth, like like that, as though you are blowing the fire. You are going to breathe out. Inhale, normal breathe. Inhale normally. Inhale deeply. Be liberal. Oxygen is free. Good. We'll go to the third stage of Ujjayi Pranayam. The 2 elbows above the ear. Keep your hands behind, not touching your head, free. Let it be free. I am going to show in the side view. It should be like this. Free. Lift your head as though you are looking to the sky. Akashvana nodi. Inhale deeply in Ujjayi. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Second time, inhale in Ujjayi. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Like that. Third time, inhale in Ujjayi. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. You must do it 10 times, but we'll do only 5 times. Inhale deeply. Lift your head, hands free. Hold. Breathe out in Ujjayi. Inhale for the 5th time. In Ujjayi, head up. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. You have done 5, 5. At home, do it 10 times minimum. Keep your hands on the thighs. We are going to support this upper arm by inhaling deeply, very liberally. And with your mouth closed, you will say, air will come out with that sound, mouth closed, like that. And you will see your entire upper portion resonating. Inhale deeply. Once more, inhale deeply. Minimum 25 seconds breathing out. This time again, third time, breathe in liberally, generously. Close your mouth and chant Makara. Minimum 25 seconds. Right. Last we will do what is called as Bhastrika. Keep your hands like this, like a fist. Fist facing upwards. So this will be a forced movement. When I say in, throw your hand up and take the air in. When I say out, with a force, like that, we'll do it once, okay? In, throw your hand up. Throw your hand up. Keep it there. Out. When you bring it out with a force, air should come out. In, out. We'll do it 15 times. Don't open your eyes, okay? Just see me how I am doing. Open your eyes and see how we are doing, how I am doing. I am handling it like that, okay? In. I will be asking you to do it 15 times. We will have a small gap. Don't open your eyes. Second time again, 15 times. Again gap. Third time, 15. All right? Get ready in between. Don't open your eyes. Okay? Keep your fist closed. Okay? Like this. Okay. In, out, 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 out. Relax. Don't open your eyes. Keep the hands on the thighs. Observe your air movement. Gaadi usrata beg aagta ide. Observe, observe, observe. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಲಿ. Let it come down slowly. Very good. Right. Now, don't open your eyes. Second type of Bhastrika Pranayama. Fist closed upwards. Okay. In, out, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Watch your breath. Slowly, the speed is reducing. Wait for it to become normal. And get ready for the third round of Bhastrika Pranayam. Fist close, facing upwards. Okay. When I say in, throw your hand up and take the air in. When I say out, bring your hands down with a force. Okay. In, out, in, throw your hand, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Keep your hands on the thighs. Don't open your eyes. Relax. Let them become calm. You can slowly come to Sukhasana. Don't open your eyes. Relax. Okay. Now we will do one more Anulom Vilom. Left hand, as usual, on your thighs, palm facing downwards in Chin Mudra. Right thumb, ring finger, stretch it like that. Like that. Please hold it like that. Close your left nostril. Breathe out through the right. Breathe in through the right. Breathe out through the left. Left in. Right out. Right in. Left out. No holding. Left in. Right out. Right in. Left out. Left in. Right out. Right in. Left out. ಎಡಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಳಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ like that. Relax. Right? I didn't want to teach you the Sudarshana Kriya. We'll do it next time. We have short, the time is up for this. Rub your hands, wipe your face. Just warm up your eyes and slowly open. Shri Krishna, Shri Krishna, Shri Krishna. And then